Haiyu. I'm from China and I have been to Singapore for 4 years. Today, I'm going to share with you a very delicious and simple to make Chinese dish called 红烧鸡块, which means braised chicken in soya sauce. When I share this with my neighbor, Baba uncle, who always brings us their Nyonya cushion, he said, "Ooh, ayam angxiu." Exactly, it is 100% direct translation in Malay. You know, ayam means chicken and angxiu, I guess, is 红烧 in Hokkien. Ang means red, xiu means hot. It's not that I got these recipes from my mother, grandma, great-great-grandma, something. I just know how to make this dish naturally. I guess it is because I have been forced to help in the kitchen when I was little. So you can see how effortless and how simple it is to make this dish. Okay, now we are gonna start with the ingredients. Get the following things ready before cooking.
Light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, cooking wine, spice powder, ginger, garlic, star anise, black pepper, and sugar. Fresh chicken cut into pieces. 1 tablespoon of dark and light soya sauce each. Add black pepper, spice powder, star anise, and sugar. Add 2 spoons of cooking wine. You can put mushrooms if you like it. Season for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. Heat the pan and add the oil. Wait for the oil to heat up. Add the minced ginger and garlic cloves. Fry until they become golden brown. And carefully put the chicken in. Stir fry over high heat. When the chicken turns red into white, pour in all the sauce remade. Continue to stir. Cover the pan, turn down the fire a little bit, and wait for 3 to 5 minutes, and this dish is done. Now impress your friend with your Chinese dish 红烧鸡块. Yummy!
It's very simple, isn't it? I hope you will like this dish. And what I want to say is, during these circuit breakers, although we spend most of our time stayed at home, we can still take this chance to slow down, to learn some new skills, to read more books, or to think through many things, to understand more about ourselves and be better prepared for our life, our work or study when this is over. And I wish everybody stay safe and stay well.